no use changing all the history books just for little old me.
Vomiting rarely has any warning signs. Vomiting occurs when prepared. So don't take chances. Trust fast acting.
I lost 183 pounds, and all I had to do was walk.
This is the Tread Climber machine by Bowflex, the easiest way to walk and burn up to 3.5 times the calories.
I have 2 newborn twins, 2 older children. I didn't have time for the gym. I'm about 65 pounds. I love my results.
The Tread Climber works by combining a treadmill, a stepper, and an elliptical into a calorie-blasting workout that gets results in just 30 minutes, 3 times a week. You 3 machines are fun. 30 minutes doesn't get any better. I lost 160 pounds. Call now for your free DVD and info kit to find out how a gentle walk can burn up to 3.5 times the calories of a treadmill without the stress that running can put on your joints.